Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. As stated in my title, today we are going to try Beautycanbraid crochet pattern. So I've been a huge fan of Beautycanbraid. I've learned so much from her over the year. If you are not familiar with her work, I would suggest you go check her out. She's the braids OG. Her channel name is Beautycanbraid. In this video, using her crochet pattern, we're gonna make this bomb ass maverick passion twist. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if this video was helpful to you. As I was saying earlier, using this maverick crochet passion twist here in combination with Beautycanbraid pattern, we are going to start crocheting the hair now that we have a foundation. This is not a tutorial on how to crochet, so I'm not gonna go in depth on the step I took, but you can still see everything I did throughout this video. Using a crochet hook, I'm going to start crocheting the head.
A few moments later.
The result is just stunning. As you can see, I'm very much impressed and I will be using this pattern again and again. My client was really happy too. Even in the dark, this crochet is still shining. One more time, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!